Tell me a little bit about your profession.
I'm a businessman and my firm's name is Amber Furniture. I'm into this business since last 8 years and I'm a proprietor.
What is the nature of your business?
We make furnitures and we sell to retailers and they sell it to final customers.
May I know about your annual turnover?
Well, my annual turnover is 1 crore.
I know, sir. How does collection payment happen in your business?
It is a mix of cash and other transactions. Around 40 to 50% transactions in cash, rest others. For other payments, I prefer using internet banking and checks.
What is the ratio of local and outstation branch transaction?
It is 80% local and 20% outstation.
Are you charged for outstation transaction?
Yes, there are charges for other city transactions and my bank deducts it from my account every month.
Okay, sir. Do you have to pay any charges for cash deposit and cash withdrawal?
Yes, every time when I deposit cash, they charge me rupees 50.
How many times you deposit cash in your account every month?
Near about 4 to 5 times in a month.
Does your bank provide some free checklists and transactions?
No, my bank does not provide any kind of free service.
Convenient has been your experience in using internet banking and mobile banking channels?
Sometimes it runs slow, but I'm okay with it.
Are there any charges which you have to pay for using these alternate channels?
I'm not sure. I heard that there are charges attached with these channels. One of my friend got charged by his bank for the same.
How you pay your utility bill and taxes?
Sometimes I send my one of my employee to the respective office for paying these utility bills, and my CA handles all my tax related issues.
Okay, sir. Sir, are you required to maintain any balance in your account?
Yes, I have to maintain 50,000 rupees at any point of time,
What are the facilities provided by your bank?
such as checkbook, bank statement, overdraft, SMS alerts, and many more.
Satisfied are you with your existing bank?
I get charged every time on cash deposit. If I get free cash deposit limits by maintaining the same balance, so definitely it will be a benefit for me.
Are you looking for any facilities or benefit which are not there in your present bank and you require it?
If your bank can provide me any kind of free cash deposit limit for a local area, I may think of it.